everyone, this is Soham here, and today I'm in a bit of fun mode. So I'm going to show you guys how to go creative with your pop cards. So we all have that one friend who would love to pose her model-like pictures. But I have a friend who's actually a model. So let's select one of her nice pictures and go creative. So we are in her profile right now, and we can quickly select one of the pictures. I think this one. Here she is posing like a fairy. So we can select one of the nice emojis here and replace her face. My god, this is just gonna piss her off. And now that she's posing like a fairy, let's give her some wings, just like this. And shape them a bit. Perfect. I can actually add my video sticker. Okay, so let me add just one of them. I am a princess, I am a princess. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this video sticker over her head and put a monoji over it. So the moment she receives my pop card, she will just listen to my voice and not the video sticker. That's gonna annoy her more. And what if some rays are coming out of her head actually? Just like this. Okay, I can actually also add a text button. I am so cute. Nice. As if she's saying it. Haha. Perfect. And I think we should share it right now. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and share it with her. When she'll receive the pop card, it's going to be like this. The moment she taps over this, I am a princess, I am a princess. Isn't that cool? Now I'm gonna look forward for her amazing, annoying reactions. Until then, why don't you all go ahead and look for some nice pictures to go creative.